time I come on camera, I'm thirsty. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing something not exactly different, but I am going to be trying again some mini twists. Now, oh my god, it's hot. I had already stretched out my hair. I had went and I did a trim on my hair, and I went on my Instagram and I did a poll, and everyone seems to want me to do mini twists, including my boyfriend. So today this is what we're gonna be doing. Unfortunately, I don't have any more like gel or anything. I do have some of this. This is what I'm gonna be focusing on using. However, it's not a lot. So because I can't find my other beeswax thing, we're gonna use this. We're gonna use some curling cream. I don't have any more of the gel. The gel went pretty fast, you guys, like pretty fast. But this has shea butter and flaxseed oil in it. We're going to be using some Jamaican black castor oil. Okay, and I'm gonna throw in some of this curl mousse, just on a few, just to kind of see how my hair reacts to this and see if it helps do anything. So this is my hair, and honestly, you guys, my hair feels so much better after trimming my head. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna start from the back. Yeah, I'm okay with it not being exactly even in the back. My main focus is that it's at least even in the front and up top and everything. So the reason that I wanted to do this is because right now it's winter time and the air is just getting colder and drier, and I honestly just need something to do with my hair. I normally would throw on my wigs, but I want to give that a break for a little bit, just let my hair breathe, you know, but not too much. Okay, I've been watching lately a lot of Lavishly Britt. A lot of her videos have been popping up on my recommendeds, and she does a lot of like the mini twists and mini braids. Now I've done mini braids before, I've done mini twists. Mini twists I actually put on my channel if you guys want to check out that video. It's something kind of quick, nothing real detailed and clear like this one, but my hair has grown since then. At least it's gotten fuller since then, and so I want to try this out. And now in my first mini twist video, my hair was not stretched, it was just like kind of just regular. So I thought, hey, why not try it? And then she makes it look so freaking good. So you know what, we're gonna try this out, and we're gonna just, you know, say, hey, we're just gonna do what it do, baby. So like a 2-strand twist, you're just gonna take 2 strands and just twist it just like that. And boom, there goes the first twist. I thought it would be smart enough for me to actually put some sections in my head, for one, because I ain't got all the time in the world to be doing this, and two, given the way my hair is set up, probably would make it easier for me. So I went ahead and put some sections in my head, but I'm still, as far as the parting goes, I'm still gonna just, you know, what. So I'm gonna apply the same exact products to the section like I just did before, but in this section I'm actually going to try using the mousse. I'll be honest, this is a lot. Oh my gosh, I don't even have that much hair, I don't think, and I'm freaking going crazy. But you know what, we're gonna finish this. We're gonna get this baby done. Y'all, this is taking so long. Oh my god. I'm trying to move as fast as possible, mainly because I am running out of time and I have to leave in the next like 45 minutes. Ooh, okay, so I had to move location, but I am finally down to my last bit of hair for these freaking twists. See, not much, but my hair is kind of not cooperating, so I gotta go to work. So I'm gonna keep this like this for now, and I'll come back on camera and put something in if there's any updates. So I'm gonna take some of this hair growth pomade by Curls. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you hit that like button and also subscribe for more videos just like this one and other content from me. Comment below if you try mini twists or mini braids. Comment below if you have mini twists in your hair right now. See you in my next one. Peace.